Hey guys, once again we're bringing you another set of the coolest gadgets from Aliexpress and Amazon sites. Links to all the products are mentioned in the description. Subscribe to my channel and click on the bell. Let's go. Even if you have a power bank with you, carrying around the charging cable is an inconvenience, and uncareful handling may also damage it. This Keychain data cable is small, portable, and easy to handle. You can attach it to your keyring or your backpack, and thus easily carry it around. It attaches magnetically to your keyring to make sure that you never leave home without the cable. The new mobile cameras are immaculate now, even allowing you to have professional shoots. So why not turn these excellent cameras into microscopes? With this pocket microscope, it is very convenient to convert any mobile camera to a microscope and enjoy a deeper and bigger view of things that the naked eye can't see. Its compact and portable design allows you to carry it around easily. Now you can have extra magnification anywhere and anytime. There is one thing that nobody can deny, that's the intense heat during summer that just robs you of normal brain function. But do you fear turning the air conditioner on because of the electricity bill? No worries then, because this mini air cooler can ward off the heat in a limited space, and that too on a budget. The best part is that you don't need to drill to fit, as it has a clip-on feature. This portable chainsaw is a lifesaver for all the light-duty projects like pruning branches, and even for the heavy-duty projects like cutting through those thick logs. Its technology is remarkable as it channels a colossal power into this small-sized tool. Its thick and rubberized rear handle makes it user-friendly and easier to hold. That is why you can operate it with one hand only, thus it greatly increases your efficiency. Imagine you are outside and your phone is running low on battery, but oops, you forgot your charging cable at home. To avoid such adversity, this wireless charging power bank is a must-have, as it provides power to your phone without the hassle of plugging and unplugging the cable. It is also perfect for the situations where you have to watch your mobile in landscape mode while charging. This product is surely going to be a treat for all the music enthusiasts, because with this operator you can mix and create music anywhere and anytime. With its animated LCD, you can watch your Megan creators move around to produce your desired melody. Moreover, it features 15 cool sound effects to enhance your creativity spectrum, and also an audio jack so you can immediately hear what you are creating. What is the secret behind any pet owner's happiness? Simple! Their pets enjoy playing with them. This Xiaomi Merry Pet is the key to your joy because it helps you interact with your pet in a super fun way. The best thing about this gadget is that you can easily control it through a mobile app. Who does not love cutting off from the world for some time and exploring themselves? But a complete disconnection is not practical. So, when you are out there surviving in the wild, this portable solar charger can prove to be your best friend because the sun shines everywhere unless your adventure destination is Antarctica. Another plus point is that it has 4 panels, thus providing you with an extremely fast charging speed. This handheld vacuum cleaner is an amazing option when you have the mood to go light on your wrist, but your cleanliness freak mode is still activated. It is portable and lightweight, so you can easily clean through sofas, your cars, and other unreachable nooks and corners. No matter if it be tiny dust particles or fine pet's hair, this vacuum cleaner will take care of them all. The biggest change that COVID-19 has made in our professional lives is the work-from-home way of work, so it is important to have the best Wi-Fi router so you can have smooth and high-speed internet connection. This ASUS Wi-Fi router provides you with the long-range connectivity through its quality antennas. Moreover, it can easily be installed via a mobile app. Let us welcome another wireless charger on our list, because why not? This alarm clock wireless charger will beautifully add style to your side table while charging your devices quickly. The most amazing thing is that its brightness can easily be dimmed, so as it does not interfere with your beauty sleep. All of its buttons are located on the front, so it provides easy access to all the functions. Guys, that is all I had for today. If you haven't seen these videos, I suggest you watch them. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up. Write in the comments which of the products impressed you most. Bye bye.